Good morning, students. Today, our topic is Asian Games 2018. So, these are the games which are being played by Asian countries. India competed at the 18th edition of Asian Games 2018 held in Jakarta and Palembang, Indonesia from 18 August to September 2018. So, this was the 18th edition which was been played in 2018 at Jakarta and Palembang, Indonesia, with from 18th August to September 2018. India in this 18th edition of Asian Games win 69 medals, which comprise of 15 gold medals, 24 silver medals, and 30 bronze medals. Now, these 16 medals have been won by our proud athletes who win these 69 medals. They made the country in the proud at the Jakarta Palembang 2018 Asian Games. Now, with the hello box, we have to identify the names of some of the athletes who had won the medals. The person whom we are going to discuss, he clinched a gold medal in men's 1500 meter athletics event at the 18th edition of Asian Games by finishing with a clock timing of 3 hours 44 minutes 72 seconds in the final of event. So he has won a gold medal in men's 1500 meter. His name is Jinson Johnson. Jinson Johnson. Number 2. He clinched India's first men's triple jump gold in 48 years with a jump of 16.77 meter in the Asian Games 2018. Though he participated in men's triple jump and has won a gold medal in 48 years with a jump of 16.77 meter in the Asian Games 2018. He is Arpinder Singh. Arpinder Singh. 3rd, she is born with 6 toes on each foot. Is an Indian heptathlete. She won a historic gold medal in the Asian Games 2018. Swapna Burman. Next, he ended India's 36-year wait for an Asian Games gold medal in the men's 800 meter race with a timings of 1 minute and 46.15 seconds. So, after 36 years of wait in men's 800 meter races, with the help of, with the participation, with the dedication of this athlete, India has won a gold medal after 36 years of wait by just finishing 800 meter race in 1 minute and 46.15 seconds. So he is Manjeet Singh. Next, this 20-year-old clinched India's first gold in the men's javelin throw in 2018 Asian Games by throwing his javelin at 88.06 meter. With this win, he joins the legendary Milkha Singh in winning gold in both Commonwealth Games as well as Asian Games in the same year. So, after Milkha Singh, he is the second person who has won gold medal in both Commonwealth Games as well as in Asian Games in the same year. There are the people who have won, but in different years. But he is the person who has won it in the same year, gold medal in Asian Games as well as in Commonwealth Games. So he is 20-year-old. He won a gold medal in the men's javelin throw in 2018 by throwing his javelin at 88.06 meters. So he is Neeraj Chopra. Sixth, he won a gold in men's shot put finals and set a new record at 20.75 meter in his fifth attempt in Asian Games 2018 held in Indonesia. So he is participating in shot put. He won a gold medal in men's shot put finals and set a record at 20.7 meter. He threw his shot put in his fifth attempt. It was his fifth attempt in the Asian Games 2018 held in Indonesia. He is Jatinder Tejinder Pal Singh Tor. Tejinder Pal Singh Tor. These are the two Indian tennis players won a gold medal in men's doubles tennis at 2018 Asian Games. In the final match, they defeated Kazakhstan's Alexander Bublik and Denis Visivr pair by 6-3, 6-4 score in a match that lasted for 52 minutes. So they are both from tennis player. They are tennis players. They won gold medals in men's double tennis at 2018 Asian Games. They defeated in the final the Kazakhstan's two players by 6-3 and 6-4. So in total they have scored 12 points, while as the others have scored only 7 points. So the names of these two are Rohan Bopanna and Divij Sharma. Rohan Bopanna and Divij Sharan. There are many more we are going to discuss. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about the same topic, about certain other players who have make us proud in Asian Games. Thank you and have a nice day.